What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering the question, are these shoes worth the hype in 2019? And I personally think so. If you guys don't know what shoe that is the Puma RSX reinvention. Puma actually reached out to me, a massive brand, Puma, and I am so thankful that they wanted to work with me and wanted me to give an unboxing review and opinions on the new RSX reinvention sneaker. Now, I've never worked with any major brands when it comes to sneakers, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity to do this. So thank you guys so much for making this possible. Thank you to Puma for reaching out and wanting to do a video like this. Now, my main goal for this video is to go ahead and show you guys an unboxing review and then try to put an outfit together with these different shoes and then show you guys kind of the creative process of me getting some pictures in them and different things like that. Now, I've actually had these shoes for a few days now, and I've been wearing them actually every single day, and I've been trying to style them different ways to see kind of what's the best way to go about it. So I actually did the unboxing a few days ago, so I want to cut back and do a little bit of a rewind to me when I unboxed them, kind of going around to the different places when I was going and wearing them, kind of getting a feel of the shoe, and then cut back here. We're going to kind of put it together and style it, and then I'm going to give you guys my review of the different shoes. Now, with that being said, I do have to say thank you, Puma, for sponsoring this video. Now, both of these colorways are available in-store online at Foot Locker right now as we speak, so there'll be links in the description if you want to check them out. We have the Red Blast colorway and the Light Sky Peacoat colorway right there. This one might be my favorite, but we're going to go ahead, show you guys the unboxing of these shoes, catch back up here, and show you guys me styling them. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox both of these colorways right here. So again, we have the Light Sky Peacoat colorway. I think it might be on this box. And then we have the Red Blast. Let me double check. Nope, opposite way around. Light Sky Peacoat, Red Blast right here. I'm very excited to see. I have a feeling that I'm really gonna like this colorway, but we're gonna see how this goes. So let's open both of these up. Of course, we got both of the shoes here in the green Puma box. Let's do it at the same time. Ready? 3, 2. We got the Puma wrapping paper there. Let's pull each of these out. First one we got right there, the Red Blast colorway. And then we got the Light Sky Peacoat colorway. Wow. Bruh. Let's get both of these out and move these boxes to the side. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm hyped on this colorway right here. I really just like that bright hit to things, and I think I have some things that I could style with this and maybe put together to make a fire outfit. Now, again, this is the RSX reinvention. Now, the RS stands for running system, which is a term used by Puma back in the 80s, and that was for their innovative, high-quality cushioning technology that makes the shoes really comfortable. And that brings us to today, where Puma has reinvented the RSX, and it is now inspired by sport and made for the street. The X marks extreme, exaggerated remix, and the RSX tells story of reinventions to the extreme. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and pick which one of these I'm going to style, because I'm going to pick one of them to make an outfit out of. I'm going to flip a coin, which I have right here. So heads is going to be for the Red Blast colorway, and then the Light Sky colorway is going to be from tails. So let's go ahead and do this. 3, 2, 1. What do we have? We're going to be styling the Red Blast. I personally think I'm going to be able to put something really good together with this shoe right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we can pull together. We might have to go run to the mall or something to see if we can find like a proper outfit, but let's go and see how we can style this. Like I was saying, over the past few days, I've been trying to find the best way to style these to see how I personally feel I could style them. The colorway that I'm going to be showing you guys an outfit for is going to be the Red Blast colorway. Now, as you can tell, this is a pretty bright red. It's not pink, but it's not orange, but it's kind of orange. It's kind of like a mixture. And it honestly depends what lighting you're in, what kind of color you can kind of grasp from it. So I found a few things that I think would be perfect to go ahead and style for an outfit. Now, for the pants, I'm going to be wearing a simple pair of black skinny pants that are from Minimal, and I also have a few different things. So I'm going to be putting on this Stone Island shirt that I was wearing the other day as just a nice top clean piece, and I didn't want to wear just this, so I went out and found a super clean crew neck that I think will work perfect with the colors, because to me it's kind of like a retro bright vibe when it comes to like the different colors. You have white, black, and then that nice bright orangish reddish color. So I have this crew neck right here that has these crazy designs and colors that kind of match. I feel like this color right here is almost identical to what's on the shoe, so that was perfect. And then I like the nice little bounce of colors all around. So what I'm going to be doing is putting this with the pants, and then on top of that I'm going to be putting this beanie right here, which is kind of like a similar neon orange. Kind of looks different in this lighting, but when I put this whole outfit together, it seemed like it fit really nice. So what I'm going to do now is cut to a scene of me in this outfit so you guys can see kind of how I styled it and see what you guys think. What you guys might not know is that sometimes I don't actually have a photographer to help me with taking photos for like products or just taking photos for Instagram in general. So I have to go ahead and take them myself with this big camera on my tripod. So I've loaded up a few things here. I got some of the stuff for the outfit, the tripod. And I'm gonna go to this location, which is on top of where I live, and take some photos and show you guys kind of how I do this. And then I'm gonna show you guys me editing the photos to get ready for Instagram, because these are going to be going on Instagram because they're going to be fire. So got the shoes on now. We're ready. Got the outfit all ready to go. Let's head up to the top and show you guys kind of how this works. See what I can pull out of this. Got my trusty cart ready to go. Now this usually takes me like 5 to 10 tries, which it kind of is tough to do, and why it's so much easier to have a photographer. So I'm looking to maybe hire somebody in the future to be like an intern for me, but you have to be in Atlanta, Georgia. I've already got a few people in mind that I know locally, so I'm gonna try that because this gets tough. Well, I forgot the lens that I needed to take these photos. Dang it. I gotta go back down. All right, I'm leaving this here and hopefully nobody takes it. Please be there when I'm back. I think somebody rode the elevator back up, so I hope it's still here. Oh God. Oh, thank God. This weather is literally perfect right now. It's like a little bit of heat because the sun plus a little breeze. Now, I want to show you guys why I wanted to come up here for the photos. You'll see in a second. So you got buildings here, and then the whole city of Atlanta is right there. I think this is one of the most underrated like view areas in Atlanta. Like if they would have built this place up 20 floors, that view all circled, oh my gosh, so good. I think I want to do that way. All right, I know it's really bright out here, but this is basically what the setup looks like. So you can see my camera is on the tripod sideways, and then I have this screen that shows the shot. And basically this is what I'm trying to get, is this little, me sitting on this corner, and then I'm gonna get that in the background. Now I gotta go ahead, put the outfit on, and then try to take some pictures. Hopefully they come out good. So I have to control it on my phone, and basically it acts as like a way to capture it. And every time I take it, it takes a picture on my phone from the camera, and then it saves to the phone and the camera. So now that's what we're gonna try to do. Make sure this is all good. The lighting's good. This might take me a few tries, but I don't have another camera to kind of set up while I'm doing it. So I'll check back in afterwards. All right, so I think I got some good photos of me sitting as like the full body one. It's so bright, it's hard to keep my eyes open, but now I'm gonna try to get an on feet shot. And how I'm gonna do that, get closer, stand up right there, and then kind of see if my feet are. All right, so it took me about 7 photos total, but I think I got some good pictures. Now we have to go back to my apartment and show you guys the editing process of this and kind of how it all flows together, how it's gonna work, and if I can pull some fire photos. All right, so this is the last photo I actually posted. Now I'm gonna go ahead and import the last few that I took so you guys can check that out. 10 total, just like I said. So I'm trying to do a swipe picture where I do one of me full body with the city in the background like you can see here, and then I want to do one that is closer up so you can see a little bit more details on the shoes. Now I'm gonna go ahead, let's see, I think I like this. Let me see what I got. Dang, you can see the clouds moving. That's sick. I like this one right here. I'm gonna go to some of my presets now. If you guys don't know, I do have presets, and this is one of my favorites right here. Let me pull this up. I'm gonna add like a gradient to this. I don't really like that. This beanie, I think it matches pretty good, but I want to see if I can make the beanie look a little bit like that. Let's bring up some shadows, and there is a little bit of orange going on here, a little bit too much, but I like the orange because that's, you know, it's got the orange red vibe. I think that looks pretty good. The shoes are a little out of focus, so I might need to look into that. This is a good one too, but they're out of focus again. I don't like how the shoes are out of focus. The crouching is kind of weird. Like what? Like it's kind of like what are you doing crouching? But I kind of like that. Kind of like that. But you can't see the front of the shirt, because then I have this one that I can crop in. There's that. I want to bring this down a little bit. I want to make it as accurate as possible. I'm gonna save those 4. So that's kind of like the editing process. I really just use my presets that I have. I've had them for a long time, and that is one of my favorites, called Insane. I think that's it for the editing. Now I want to give you guys my honest review on the Puma RSX reinvention. Now, I've liked the dad wave of shoes for a while, but a lot of them are a little bit too big for my personal liking when I'm trying to style them, because I have a little bit skinnier leg. If I'm being 1000% honest, when I put these on, I felt that they had the perfect look from above when it comes to chunkiness. Now, that is not a bias, because I will say on other shoes, I do not like how bulky they look, and these 100% have the perfect width at the top. Now, that might be a weird kind of critique from somebody, but to me, that is like when I'm looking down at a shoe, I want it to look sick and I want it to look good. I went out, I went to the mall, I went and hung out with some of my friends. I got compliments on these shoes, and they're different and they're bright, but I like that. And to wear it like with this, look at that. This crew neck was like a come up to find with this, kind of like a short sleeve kind of crew neck thing. And honestly, after wearing them for a few days, the wear is not bad. I'll be honest, I like the way that I can style this colorway more than this one. Now, some people might think that this would be easier for them to style because you have more colors to work with, as far as a yellow, as far as a navy. But for me, I like a nice solid color. And this pair right here, like I literally was wearing it and it was comfortable and I liked how I was wearing it. Because there are shoes, and I would tell you guys, if I didn't like how a shoe looked on my foot, I like how this looks because of just the way that it's built. And that is not me fluffing things up. I like how that, like, go to Foot Locker, put on the shoe, look how it looks on your foot. I would probably say wear a pair of skinny jeans and you will understand what I'm saying. I do think it is a good mix of the sport and street. You kind of get a little bit of both worlds there. And I think that they built like a good solid heel on this, because in particular shoes like this, you're looking for that chunky, like oversized look, but you don't want it to be too crazy and out there. And I think that this works. So the Puma RSX Reinvention is available at Foot Locker right now, in store and online. You can get both pairs. I'll be leaving links in the description down below. Thank you so much for Puma for sponsoring this video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.